JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, bus driver Prento killed in Clarendon crash. Please remember to subscribe, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. 54-year-old James Davis, otherwise called Prento, has died as a result of injuries sustained in a two-vehicle collision involving a coaster bus and a distribution truck on the Bustamante Highway in Clarendon sometime after 5 a.m. on Monday. Davis was driving the Toyota coaster bus to Maypen from his community of Osborne store in Clarendon for his first trip of the day. He planned the Maypen to Kingston route. The truck and the coaster bus each had 2 occupants. The others sustained injuries and were taken to the hospital for treatment. We received information about a major accident, so we came on location and observed the 2 vehicles here, the international truck and the coaster bus. Inspector Everton Williams from the Clarendon Police Division's Operations Department said at the scene. From observations made and information received, both vehicles were carrying 2 persons, the driver and one. The driver of the bus has succumbed to his injuries. The passenger received injuries and is now at the Maypen Hospital receiving treatment, as well as the 2 from the truck. Williams also said they received reports of the delivery truck being looted, but said the police saw no signs of such activity. The police are appealing to eyewitnesses to come forward. Investigations are still underway, and so would appeal to eyewitnesses to come and give statements if they so desire. As it is right now, we are maintaining a presence and ensuring that the traffic moves freely, and from all indications, we have accomplished that. The accident caused a major pileup of traffic in the area. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.